Guys, it has been so long since I done anything makeup wise on my channel, so I thought I'd do like a little updated makeup tutorial, but like, is it even a makeup tutorial if you don't know what you're doing? I'm just gonna wipe over my face with a wipe. Yeah, don't speak to me about it. I like to do that, okay? I've got the worst spot here. Can you see that? That is going to kill so bad. I'm gonna try my best not to pop it, but you know when like you just actually can't help it? It's just an impulse. Also, need some lip balm on these lips because these lips are dry. Put my hair up. I never wear my hair up, do I, guys? I'm gonna wear my P. Louise juice box. I love these. These actually come with two things. So they come in like an actual juice box with the straw and everything. It's really cute. Comes with the thing that's a crown. This is like it's called a lip oil, but it's more of like a gloss to me because it does have like that slight little, you know what I mean? This is the lip conditioner. I feel like this feels more like oily to me, but it's not. It's kind of like a thick cream. Anyway, it comes with both of these, so they're really cute. Just gonna pop some of this on. I'm gonna go in with my toner. I never normally do like my whole skin prep ever, but like on camera, but I thought I'd do it today. So this is Glow Recipe. Just gonna put some of this in my hand. It is the worst doing this with rings on. It really cringes me out because look, it's going all in between the rings and I just can't. So these short pieces are peeing me off already. Although, I don't know if you saw, my skin had like, can you see it's got a bit of glow already? Guys, it's this face tan I used last night. It is so nice. It's the new Garnier one. I saw Sophia and Cynthia promoting it and it looked so nice. I was literally in love with it. Also, I'm looking here because there's a mirror here, so I'm kind of used to looking there. I'm not used to filming my makeup just yet. Then I'm going to go in with this. This is the Rhode Glazing Milk. I actually asked for this for Christmas. So glad my dad managed to get it because like, my dad's a bit of what's the word? He's not an internet man. He is and he isn't. Like, I feel like because I showed him this, he's probably thinking, what the hell is that? And it's such a like thick, creamy texture, if you can see. It's literally like milk. It's actually insane. I do like to press a lot of my stuff in, as opposed to actually rub. I'll do the occasional. I also got my lashes done last night, so love that for me. Can you see how reflective my skin is? I really do recommend this over the Glow Recipe. I do find this more nourishing. Oh, you know what I forgot? I was meant to spray that. This is what you normally spray before the Glow Recipe. Now I'm going to go in with the Glow Recipe again. I really love Glow Recipe. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, Ultimate Glow and Brightening. I really like this. I do find this super hydrating, makes your skin kind of like slippy. It's like a primer for me. All these steps, are they necessary? In my opinion, yes, because I feel like the more primed and like wet your skin is, it's just your makeup's going to sit on it a bit better. Yeah, I really like this. This is really nice. I love the bottle as well. Can you see how that's like iridescent? Neutrogena water cream, I think this is called. This is really lovely as well. Super affordable. You get so much in there. It literally feels like absolute water. Also, guys, I really hope that you can hear me okay and that the focus, the lighting, that everything's okay. I did get a new camera, which is probably why I'm filming a YouTube video now. I really wanted to start filming again. I quickly ran out to get some of this while I wait for my skin prep to sink in, because another thing I feel like people don't do to get ready is let the product sink into your skin. Like, can you see? Look, you can see my lights in my forehead. What the hell? If I rush the skin prep, it's not going to look good. Like, if you rush the paint on a house, it's not going to look good, is it? And this is paint on the house. I am just going to put a bit of instant tanner on my neck, just because I feel like it's not going to match. This is the Tanologist one. I really like this one. Oh, please don't squirt everywhere. Oh, it's on my finger. Pop a little bit of that on there. Especially because I've got, oh, this is gonna sound funny, especially because I've got my hair up. I'm not the best at tanning all places. Also, can you see that spot? actually not okay. Gonna go in with some e.l.f. Halo Glow. Don't really like foundation anymore. And my skin's actually looking quite nice today. Spot wise, I mean, I've got that and I've got a blood blister there. Other than that, I've got no spots. So yeah, this is e.l.f. Halo Glow. I use shade 5. Slightly dark for me, but I lighten it out with concealer. I'm just gonna pop a couple stripes of this on. Only thing with these products, they don't give you much product when it comes out. I definitely prefer this because obviously there's a lot of Charlotte Tilbury dupes out there. I definitely prefer this. Yeah, there's quite a few dupes out there. Like the there's a collection one. So obviously this one. There's loads of brands that do them now. I definitely like this one the best. It does make you very shiny. So you could use this like underneath foundation or on top as well. You know what, blended in, the shade isn't actually as bad as it looks. I'm gonna go in with my cream bronzer now. This is Be Perfect Bronzer in Pecan. This is really nice, although, why, I don't know what I do. Why is all of my cream bronzers lumpy? Or do I just have the bad ones? This brush is from Shein, by the way. Same with what I used for thingy. Just going to tap some of this on. I really like this. If you're looking for a new cream bronzer, I feel like it adds a slight bit of coverage. So that's why I like to have such a light base. So then, really airbrushes, I don't know. I love Be Perfect for products. They definitely are getting the hype they deserve now. I've loved them for years and I'm so glad they are. Oh god, going over that spot is awful. I feel like they definitely are getting the love they deserve now. I just think the forehead looks so nice. Like, this is really lovely. This never goes patchy on me. For concealer, I am going to go in with slightly more full coverage but not too much of it because can you see my under eye is really purple. I'm going to pop some of this on. A little bit here, but I'm not going to put any on my forehead. A little bit there actually. My forehead's looking good. We've got no scarring, no nothing. This is a Cocoa Cosmetics sponge with a hair on the end that she's added. Oh, got quite a lot of hairs on it actually. So I get a bit of redness there and I don't like that. Also, I've got some dryness here. I think it's because when I brush my teeth, I'm a bit of a dribble, bit of a dribbler. Just going to bring the excess there, so lightly though. That is cream products done. I do really want to test out a glow wand, but I don't have one. Now for powder, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is a mini, which is really annoying because I bought this as like a little handbag moment, but then I ended up actually liking it. Am I obsessed with it? Not really actually. Just get some of that under the eye. I don't know, I just feel like it makes it darker. This is the lightest shade, this is fair. We'll put a little bit here, but not major. Just to dull it down slightly, but I still like to have that glow to my face. We're going to do some blusher. I love these. These are the Ciate blushes. I say I love everything. Well, obviously I would because this is my everyday little moment. This is Ciate blush. Mine's very dirty. Mine's actually coming out the pan. This is why I leave this section unpowdered, so it really sticks to it. I like a highlight. I'm just going to contour my nose with the Graze bronzer. I don't actually know how to contour my nose if you're looking for a tutorial, because it's not the page to come to. I'm going to pop some of this highlighter on. This is Ofra, but it has like brow dye on it. So I used to dye my own brows before I used to get them done. Pop a little bit of that on. I think that's base pretty much done. We're just going to do my brows. I have the most choppiest brain ever. I've spoke to you about 5 different things and just not finished it, but that's just how it is to talk to me, to be honest. I do get my brows laminated, so there is still some lamination there, but all the tint has definitely gone, which makes me so sad, but I just don't think I could get my eyebrows like tattooed on. I just don't think that's for me, because I would be scared. This mirror is so dirty. I don't fill them in too heavy anymore. I used to like glue them down and everything. I mean, didn't we all? This is the Benefit Brow Goof Proof brow stuff. It's quite good. Sometimes I use an eyeshadow. I did used to do that. Then I'm just going to pop some of this brow oil from. This is from the girl that does my brows. Oh, Oh my god, I haven't shown you my nails, guys. They're really cute, but they're really annoying me. I didn't really think about how annoying it would be to have charms on your nails. Like, they're so cute, but why are you actually so annoying? Like, I can't stand it. I'm just gonna draw my moles back on. I mean, that one isn't actually mine, but I'm gonna claim it like it's mine. And then for setting spray, I'm just gonna go with Charlotte's Tilbury. Really like this. This is really nice. I don't think it's worth the money. Like, I wouldn't go out your way to buy it. I definitely think there is stuff that is basically the same. I do think it is nice. Like, it does make the makeup stay. There is others that do the same, basically. And if you follow me on TikTok, you would know about this. Obviously, as you can see, I've got eyelash extensions. No, these aren't growing from my own eyeballs, but I've got this little protector because I made my dad make me this, because when you spray, you don't want to get all this in your eyelashes because it ruins them. So, oh, just hit myself in the face. I do look a bit silly when I do this, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And then you have to fan quick. God, there's a bit dripping down my hair. Can you see that? This always makes my eyes water so badly. Right, we'll just leave that to naturally dry while I do my lips. My last step is my lip liner. Now, this is something I've used for years. I probably will use for years. I just love it. So it's the Primark lip liner. God, my forehead's still dripping wet. I'll get over that in a minute. This is in Foxy Nude. I do like Toast as well. But this colour I've just used for so long, it's so natural. It looks like it could be my lip colour. I don't really like, again, I used to do this all the time. I used to love like a lipstick and a lip liner that's a lot darker. I'm just going to use this little fluffy brush to brush over it to blend it in. Yeah, now I just think it doesn't look good on me. You may think this is giving foundation lips, because it kind of is. I'll add a bit of a gloss because I feel like you guys were so gloss. But again, for Louise. That is me all done. I mean, my forehead's still dripping wet. I hope you guys enjoyed my first little makeup tutorial back. Please let me know if you do like it. Sorry if I wasn't that chatty. I was actually filming a TikTok at the same time that I can't talk in. Yeah, sorry about that. I wanted to get 2 contents done in one go. Let me know if you do want more makeup videos. Let me know other videos you want me to film, because I'm going to film so much. I feel like I've also put off filming because I'm trying to think of long haul videos, but I could do short ones like how I done this hair. Like, it's so simple and probably everyone knows how to do it, but I just think it'll be good. It'll probably be like a 6-minute video, but do you want me to still post them even if they're really short? Because it's a bit more in-depth than TikTok, because TikTok, people's attention spans, they don't care. So yeah, do let me know what you think. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. 2024 is going to be the time where I post on YouTube all the time. I promise you. Love you guys the most. You are the best. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.